institutions, you've heard it before, that are very interested in Bitcoin, but they haven't been this interested in Bitcoin ever. I got lots to talk about. All right. First, we have the Bitcoin white paper. Happy birthday, Bitcoin white paper. 15 years ago today, Satoshi Nakamoto gave us the Bitcoin white paper, and we are all grateful for that. Woohoo! Very, very happy. Heidi is very happy about that. Me too. Now, we have this CME group, right? They are the open interest on the CME group. And now open interest pretty much refers to the futures market or the options market. And that is the amount of money that people are interested in the futures price of Bitcoin, essentially. Now, here are the numbers. Binance is the largest futures market out there with $3.84 billion. And now you have the CME group at $3.56 billion. So that gap is closing, people. I've never seen this much institutional interest in my life, especially now that we have the spot ETFs that are going to go through. Obviously, it's going to go through. Now you have the futures market really catching up. So it's pretty much Wall Street getting into the game at a huge rate, because I think Wall Street understands that this is the future of money. This is the future of stocks. People are going to be more interested in crypto than they are going to be at the stock market. I've been saying that for a very long time, and now this is actually showing. So it's really interesting. Now, with that said, there are dangers, okay? We have the gold and silver market, which, by the way, gold had hit an all-time high on Friday of $2,006. Now it's just below that. But there's a reason why gold is only at $2,000. It's because it's horribly manipulated. I used to be a gold and silver trader back before I started with crypto. And one of the things that really bugged me was the amount of manipulation that goes on in that space. I mean, look no further. Just do a little search and go gold and silver manipulation, and it'll be JP Morgan, HSBC, London Gold Fix. There's something literally called the London Gold Fix that turned into the LBMA, which is the London Bullion Metals Association. I'm getting off track, but there's tons and tons of manipulation. The good thing about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has a distributed ledger. So you can't fake a spot ETF. That is the best news ever. And it just, guys, you don't understand what I went through in the gold and silver market. That was the worst time I've ever had investing in anything with the gold and silver market, because it is the most manipulated asset in the world, because it has fake paper gold and silver contracts. That's it. It's all fake. Okay. Now, we have some very interesting news as well. On top of that, I've been saying over and over again, I am a broken record, but I am right 100% on this, that this year, the US would print more currency than ever before. And I've been so spot on. Not only have we, printed $275 billion in one day, like a month ago, and then within a week, it was $100 billion and so on and so on. Now, the U.S. Treasury just said that they want to borrow $776 billion in the final 3 months of 2023. So, man, imagine what 2024 is going to look like. They're going to print so much currency. And you know what likes lots of currency printing? You know what likes monetary inflation? Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin hits, the alts rise. And if you are part of our CT club at learningcrypto.com, we've been absolutely destroying this bear market. And we have set ourselves up so well for the bull market. And our learningcrypto.com members, I know you're loving it. All right. Now lastly, we have Binance, which started listing alts again. And why is that such a really big news story? Because usually what I've seen in the past is that Binance does start listing a lot of coins, at the start of a bull market. And I think they understand that this is a bull market. This is the very beginning of it, and that we are about to skyrocket upwards. Whether we drop a little bit, I'm not going to time every move that Bitcoin does. We dollar cost average, and we've killed it much more than most, I would say 99% of traders out there. Anyways, that's all I have today. Please like and subscribe. Please. We really appreciate it because, we put out videos every day. We try to make these things really short so we don't waste your time like so many other YouTubers out there do. Talk to you soon.